How to block or unblock someone on Discord application. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that if you want to block someone on Discord application, or if you want to unblock someone on Discord, how are you going to do it. So please watch the video till the end. By the end of this video you will know that how you can block or unblock someone on Discord application. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, to begin with, you need to open your Discord application and you need to sign in to your account. So once you signed into your account and you are on the Discord application, you need to tap on friends, and on the friends list you will find the people that you want to block them, or you want a certain person that you want to block if you're getting annoying messages or anything, or any reason behind that one. So how you going to do it? You need to tap on that person, and once you tap on that person profile, a small window will pop up, as you can see at the bottom, and there will be a three-dotted menu at the right corner, as you can see, and you need to tap on that three-dotted menu, and here you will find the block option. So here you will find the block option, and as well as remove friend option as well. So we are talking about the block, how you going to block. So you need to tap on the block option here. So once you tap on the block, this person is already been blocked, and here, as you can see, you will not find that person anymore on your friend list. So guys, now how are you going to unblock that person if you block somebody by mistake? So you need to tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, you need to tap on my account. Once you tap on my account, you need to scroll down, and here you will find the blocked user. You need to tap on that option, and here, as you can see, the person I just blocked has been added to the blocked users list. And if I want to unblock that person, just tap on unblock, and once I tap on unblock, the person has been removed from the block list. And I will go back to show you, and I will tap on the friends here, and as you can see here, the person appeared again here. So this is how you can block someone if you want to, and if you want to unblock someone, the method is also shown in this video. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.